Our global community of earners is growing every day. We recently reached a huge milestone, 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. We're incredibly thankful for your trust and support. It inspires us to keep working hard and reaching new heights together. Today, we're doing something different. This video is for you, so we'll be sharing your stories and experiences with Pawns.app. Let's get started. Let's start with our Reddit community. A user with the name SilverPhoenix56 says, I just love the fun and contests which will be coming in subreddit. I also like the fact that Pawns are helping users to earn in many ways, like with the referral program and so many contests. Keep going and bring on as many contests as you can. We are glad that you like the Pawns.app experience. If you are not familiar with our referral program, please check our Pawns.app Academy videos, where you can learn everything you need to know before you even start using Pawns.app. Another Reddit user with the name _Skywalker_ says, first of all, I just wanted to say thanks for this great experience. And I want to see more of you being there doing what you're doing already, helping people. Spread the joy, keep the good community up, and stay connected to the people. We love that for you. Yes, you can join our community on all social media. Check out Reddit, Discord, Instagram, TikTok, and of course YouTube to share your experience with others and learn about the latest Pawns app features and updates. A Reddit user with the name MysticDragon789 has told us, I love the simplicity and functionality of the app. The shared internet data is a game changer. I would like to see their earnings on both shared internet and surveys be worth more. We're constantly updating and optimizing Pawns.app. Introducing new features like the Earn More and Quest tabs has already helped our community boost their earnings. Also, we love your reviews on Trustpilot. A user with the name ArthurSmith2931 says, very legitimate earning app with completing online surveys and sharing internet. Excellent customer service as well. Thank you very much for your kind words. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact our support team at hello@pawns.app. They are like superheroes who can help you with anything. A user with the name 192Biggie has told us, I love this app. If you need some extra money, like for example $5, you can simply earn it here with the help of some surveys. That's right. As soon as your earnings reach $5, you're ready to cash in. We've got multiple payment methods for your convenience, including PayPal, Bitcoin, and virtual gift cards. We hope you enjoy watching this video as much as we did creating it. As always, don't forget to like the video, share it with other Pawns.app users, and subscribe. But more importantly, tell your Pawns.app story in the comments below, and maybe you'll see it in the next one. As you wait, make sure to check out our latest feature, Spin the Wheel, for your daily dose of excitement. What's your most impressive win so far? Tell us in the comments. See you soon.